finished our center seams and we've done the seam finish. Now it's time to start building the casing around the waist. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn all of this over 2 centimeters. So we're going to get our gauge again, set it at 2 centimeters, and all of our seams are going to go to the right, because that will make it easier to get the elastic in later. We're going to measure the short piece, not the longer piece. And we're going to pin. And what we're going to do is we're going to do each seam first, 2 centimeters over. We're going to go to this next seam. Two centimeters over. Every time we're lining the seam up from the outside to the inside. Now we're going to measure 2 centimeters and we're going to pin. We're going to go to the last seam with the seam going to the right, fold it over, measure 2 centimeters, and pin through all layers. This can be a little tricky if one side is longer than the other side. So this is a trick. I'm going to show you how to do this. And it's why we pin the seams first. If I pull, it wants to go straight. So I'm going to hold this pin like this. And I'm going to pull. And now rather than measuring, I'm just going to pull so it's nice and flat, and I'm going to pinch and I'm going to pin. Then I'm going to grab this like that, hold it, pull, pinch, and pin. Pull, pinch, pin. Because now I've got a nice straight line at the top, regardless of how this lines up. So I'm going to go from this seam to this seam, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to pull, pinch, and pin. You folded it over 2 centimeters. Now we're going to sew this down because now we're building a casing. I'm going to pull this piece off so my hand goes under, pushes up, this comes off, set that aside because I want to do the circular seam. I feed the material in. I'm going to lay my material down, put my presser foot down. I want to line the edge of the material up with the edge of the presser foot. I'm going to back stitch and then straight stitch all the way around.